Who doesn't like the look of a brand new driveway? It adds value to your house, bit of curb appeal, and smartens the whole place up no end. But you know what? Within 2 or 3 years, it can end up looking like this. Tired, worn, with all the aggregate poking through the surface, and you could look back and think, I spent all that money having the driveway done, and it doesn't look any better. This doesn't have to happen. The technology exists to overcome this. Not all manufacturers use this technology. Tobermore have solved this problem with the prime top, which is basically a very dense layer of hard cement and fine aggregates which are compacted together and mixed with the pigment. Now, instead of putting the pigment all the way through where you don't need it, they concentrate it in this very hard layer on the top. So you've got the prime top, but you've also got a base layer which is very durable, and the whole thing is formed in one piece so it will not separate. Now, I've been out to look at some of these Tobermore jobs. I've looked at some which are as much as 15 years old, and with a quick wash off you can see that that colour is still there and it hasn't worn at all, even though it's had lorries going over it all day long. Now you look at this job, this is 3 years old and it's still looking as good as the day it was laid. So you can have a durable product. It doesn't have to end up looking like this, or even this. So before you have your driveway installed, do a little bit of homework, check out what materials the contractor's using, and if he's not using a product that gives this kind of durability, you might want to think again. Now, there are Tobermore approved contractors who will be able to supply this product for you so that you can keep your driveway looking pristine for years to come. So for the contractors in the know, that Tobermore Prime Top gives you enhanced colour retention and a harder wearing surface. The good news is it's probably not going to cost you any more. Tobermore products are available across the UK and Ireland, and you can find your nearest stockist by following the links.